today we will be unboxing the OnePlus 8 Pro. As you guys know, I have officially sold my iPhone 11 Pro, so I wanted to try different and the best flagship phones from Android. So let's go ahead. By the way, first things first, look at this packaging. It's absolutely different. That's what I have to say. There's a pull tab right here. That is not satisfying. This box is seriously so long. It's awesome. Let's do this. This is actually my first ever OnePlus that I've actually ever checked out, so I'm super excited to actually try it out. Look at this. It says OnePlus 8. That is super cool. And let's go ahead, and there it is. Geez, I have to say the packaging is super absolutely awesome. I mean, usually Android packaging, like the other companies, are like pretty compared to Apple, but this packaging is super cool. Is there anything else inside of here? There is not. We got a free case. That is pretty cool. We got a free case on the OnePlus 8 Pro, USB with USB-C cable, and we get this monster. We get this monster power brick, which is pretty freaking cool. And let's get on to the OnePlus 8 Pro. Guys, I was actually picking up everything from the unboxing, and in this tab, there's actually a lot more stuff. There's a bunch of paperwork, a bunch of stickers, which are super cool. I wish Apple did these fun stickers. I think this is pretty fun. A quick start guide, and something else that Apple doesn't do is include screen protectors. So they actually include a free case and screen protectors. But seriously, look at these stickers. I wish Apple did this. Apple, if you're watching this, please. It would be so awesome. I'm gonna put this somewhere. These are awesome. So the OnePlus 8 Pro finally has a wireless charging, which is a feature that, you know, never actually happened on OnePlus. So, oh my, this is so big. It is $899, which is basically a flagship price. So it's okay priced. I mean, it's a lot of money. It's expensive, but it's equally priced for a flagship. The thing that I'm most excited to actually try out about the display is that okay, I actually see it already. It's that 120 refresh rate that I really want to happen. I really want Apple to do it. And I can notice that everything is like super snappy. Let me go ahead and set it up, and I'll get back to you. All right, so I've officially set up the OnePlus 8 Pro. Here's a quick close-up on the 3 cameras. No headphone jack. We do get USB-C. I mean, I'll talk about, you know, the 120 hertz in just a second, but the display looks incredible. We get a small punch in the hole right here. The screen seriously looks unbelievable, but the speakers... And the speakers, I mean, I never watch movies on my smartphone, but the speakers on the OnePlus 8 Pro just literally make me want to watch movies because they are just so loud, so clear. They are so good. I really want to test out the camera further, but here are some photos that I've quickly taken with the OnePlus 8 Pro in my garden. Everything seems pretty evenly colored, which is great. All right, I am currently recording this on the ultrawide on the OnePlus 8 Pro. First impressions, by the way, on this phone while I'm on it, and you know, you can see what the video quality is. Hello, Apple. Apple, you want to say hi? She doesn't want to say hi. I want 120 hertz display on the iPhone 11 Pro. I mean, on the iPhone 12. It is such a thing that you feel like you don't need, but holy moly, like I want it on every single phone in the world. Like, you know, on the iPad it's good. I've had it on the iPad, but on a smartphone, it just makes the experience just so buttery smooth. This phone is amazing. OnePlus, you have really nailed this phone. I know this phone has been really boring for the Android community, but for me, as a fan of Apple, as a person who always uses an iPhone, this is the first time that I'm ever using OnePlus, and you know, OnePlus, congrats.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.